Hello, this is Ryan, and I'm here for a video for AEP858 Data and Assessment. This time, I believe we're going to talk about Module 5. So I'm going to go to classwork. This module is an application. We've been talking a lot about data, both qualitative and quantitative data. You've went out and you've looked at many different data sources. You've talked to a lot of people about data. So what we're going to do in this module is we're actually going to apply data, and we're going to learn how to do some data analysis using some spreadsheet tools. These are some techniques that I utilize in my job on a regular basis, and I help my principals with it and my instructional coaches and reading specialists in our district with these tools. So I wanted to share them with you. So like all of our other modules, you have a 5A and a 5B. 5A is the work module. And again, make sure you're paying attention to the rubrics, but here's your module. The modules all look the same. So this one looks like it has a lot of content knowledge, but you don't have to go through. You don't need to go through and watch all these. Most of these are videos, and they'll be embedded within the module. Some of these articles will be embedded too, and some of them you might want to take a look at. But I believe they all come up throughout the module. So I'd recommend is that you just start with part 1 activity and kind of scroll down through it. This module will use a sample data set. You're going to build a sample data set with it. And then we're going to learn some techniques, and we're going to learn another data protocol that goes along with this. So let's get started. So part 1 basically deals with if-then statements. So you're really going to be working with a data set and building it and expanding on it. Taking multiple sources of data and bringing them all into one data set so you can do some analysis on that. So the first part deals with if-then statements. Here's the video you'll watch. Here's your data set. Now again, this data set, when you click on it, it'll make a copy. First off, don't worry about doing this tab right here. This will be on your concluding tasks. It's just something that's been there. Don't worry about this information here. Just skip over this and move right into your students tab. So don't worry about that information. You don't have to do this. Jump into your students tab. Here's your basic data set that you're gonna build on. So the first thing you got to do is you're going to need to name it. So here's how you name it. Please name it like this. So when you post it to the Google Classroom, I will know whose sets or whose belongs to who. Another thing too, if you get stuck with this module, please email me and let me help you. Also share your file with me. If you share it with me already early, and then you ask for help and I ask you to share it again, just be remembered that I got a bunch of people for me to keep track of who has shared what already. So it's always best if you ask a question to just add a link to your document. When I say link, what I mean is just copy the URL, just like that, and then paste it in your email. And that really helps me be able to get to where I need to be really quickly. Well, the first activity is I did them statements. Again, notice I really work hard to scaffold this and lead you through this step by step, give you lots of examples. The videos, I show you how to do things, then I have you do a bit on your own or we do things together. So I guess I'm trying to really scaffold this out to make sure you're successful. The second activity deals with VLOOKUPs. I hope you like that one. That really allows you to bring multiple data sets together using a common key. That common key is usually a student number. It's either the state number or a SIS or student information system number from your local district. We have two. We have a local student number and we have a state student number. Typically, we'll use the state student number to link up state assessments. We use the regular student number when we start talking about, say, FastBridge data, things like that. But again, all the setup of these activities are about the same. I walk you through some things, you watch a video, then I walk you through step by step how to do this. Activity 3 is on color coding. I'm doing some different, using conditional formatting to do color coding within your data sheet. Activity 4 gets you into pivot tables and starts talking about mean, median, and mode. And again, notice how these links, these are your documents you need to be reading. So I would not start like you have in the other modules with the content knowledge. Just start with activity 1 and work down through it. And as you come to a document that needs to be read or reviewed, click on it and do it at that point. And then Module 5, or Part 5 of this module, deals with that next data protocol. It's called the ORID. Hope you like it. Take a look at it. I think it's a good one. You should be able to fill it out based on the work you're doing in this module. But like your other modules, for 5A, you'll post it just like you have, and you have a 5B module also. So that's your basic module. And then we also have the 5B, which also has a rubric. Make sure you take a look at that rubric. Here's your 5B. This time it only has 4 questions, so it's a little bit simpler. I hope you're liking this setup and the way we're doing this. I like it a little better. It's easier for me to keep track. And plus, it keeps this kind of stuff off of your work. Again, I hope you like this module. Hope you think it's valuable. Hope you have some new learning. I will tell you, some of you may struggle, but if you do, please remember I'm here to help. Please reach out. Let me know I can help you, and we'll get you through your bumps. I'll talk to you later. Bye.